Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new wallet in Bitcoin Core. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, if you don't have the application downloaded on your system yet, you can head on over to bitcoincore.org and click on the download button to download the latest stable release of Bitcoin Core application. Once you download the application, you can just install it by clicking on the next button. Now, once you install the application, just go ahead and open it up. This is what you will see when you open up the application for the first time. Now, in order to sign up and create a new wallet, just click on the File button at the top right corner. Now click on Create Wallet. Now just enter your desired wallet name and click on Encrypt Wallet if you wish to protect your wallet with a passphrase. Now click on the Create button and you will be asked to enter your passphrase. Just type in your passphrase and type it in once again to confirm it. Now just click on the OK button and you will see a warning which says that if you lose your wallet passphrase, you will lose all of your bitcoins. Just click on the Yes button and you will receive another warning. Click on OK once again and then your wallet will be created. Now in order to log into your wallet, you can simply go on Open Wallet and click on your wallet name. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new wallet on Bitcoin Core application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.